Something huge has just been found behind the sun. It's not an alien planet or a black hole, but it is something that no one expected to find. What could it be? Let's take a look. It all started in 2017 when scientists at the University of Chicago set out to measure the size of our solar system's heliosphere. The heliosphere is a bubble-like structure created by the sun's constant stream of charged particles called the solar wind. By analyzing the changes in the solar wind as the spacecraft moved further away from the sun, the team was able to estimate the size of the heliosphere. For example, how did such a large cavity form? It's not every day that we find something so unexpected and so close to home. As we continue to explore the universe, who knows what other surprises we might find? And what happened to the material that was inside it? Did it get blown away by the solar wind, or is it still there? These are just some of the questions that scientists hope to answer in the future. They found that it extends about 120 astronomical units from the sun. And that's because they found something else behind the sun, something that was completely unexpected, a huge cavity in the interstellar medium. This cavity is about 200 times the size of our solar system, and it is filled with a tenuous plasma. That is much less dense than the surrounding interstellar medium. The team believes that this cavity was created by a giant outburst of energy from the sun early in its life. An astronomical unit is the average distance between the Earth and the sun, which is about 150 million kilometers. But it doesn't just protect our solar system. It extends far beyond the orbit of Neptune and Pluto. Behind the heliosphere, there was a huge spike in the amount of galactic cosmic rays. Galactic cosmic rays are high-energy particles that come from outside of our solar system, most likely from supernova explosions. When the solar wind hits the interstellar medium, it creates a shock wave that moves outward at nearly the speed of light. This shock wave compresses the gas and dust in the interstellar medium, creating a wall of plasma that funnels the cosmic rays back into the solar system. To measure the size of this massive bubble, the team used data from the Voyager 1 and 2 spacecraft, which have been exploring interstellar space for over 40 years. But that's not where the story ends. While analyzing the data, they found something strange. But the team was surprised to find that the amount of cosmic rays was even higher than expected. The discovery of this cavity has raised more questions than it has answered. This discovery has shocked the scientific community, and for good reason. If you like optimistic science and tech stories, stay tuned for more updates.